Hey guys, welcome back to Vinceville Custom. So today we're going to do a garage kit review on this Faun girl bust that I just got in the mail this past week, and it is sculpted and designed by Nikita Lebedev. Hopefully I said the name right. If I didn't, I apologize. But I saw this item at the jerseyfest show of 2018. We're at the end of the year of 2018 now, and I really wanted to get this item just in case it was ever going to get sold out, or I don't know if it's an open-ended casting and sales for him. But he's got some really nice work. I saw the stuff at the tables and I really wanted it. But I didn't have a chance to pick it up at the show because I was focused more on supplies and stuff. But a friend of mine wanted me to do a couple work pieces for him this year. And I said, you know what, as a trade-off, why don't you get me this item because I want to save this for 2019 project. I got some really cool ideas for this. So I figure once I get my new computer and some better camera equipment next year, I can incorporate this into the project I'm working on. I want to try some different material type stuff too with like the base and everything. So I'm going to try to come up with some really fun ideas with this project. So we'll see how that works out in 2019. But he's got some really cool stuff on his website. I'll have that in the description and everything, so go check it out. Some of the stuff is not safe for work, at least with some of his sculptures. So as you can see, I had to kind of block those out with the white paper, and I also had to use tape on the bust itself because YouTube and all that stuff, you don't want to get the videos taken down. I want to be able to show you stuff, show you guys these items. So in the box, you get the bust. What he did is he sent 2 stickers as well, which is kind of a nice touch. He sent this picture as well, and then he signs it in the back, as you can see. So I just had to block that off, and then he also sends the item that you get, and then he actually personalized it in the back too, which is kind of cool. You know, that's kind of a nice touch, especially when you have your own original stuff you're putting out. You can kind of do personalized stuff, so it's pretty cool. So on to the item. So it's a really nice bust. You can pretty much see with my hand next to it. I think the bust itself is probably like a 1/3 scale because you can see the head is definitely bigger than a 1/4 scale. So I would say it's 1/3 or kind of close to it, but it's just in a bust form. So it's pretty cool. It's not humongous, but it's not super small. It's definitely a good item if you're you want to get into painting or you want to practice stuff. It's kind of a really fun item because you can do a lot of the skin tone, and then what you do is you have to do detailing in the vines and then the roses and stuff, so you can really go fun with it. You know, you could go skin tone with like greens or blues. You could do a yellow. You could do like a brownish type fawn. So you could do whatever you want on this character, which is kind of cool. I got some really cool ideas. We'll see what happens next year. There's also kind of a good practice piece for trying different like paints and stuff. But as far as the casting goes, when I got her out of the box and I looked at it, nothing major. There's a little bit of casting errors here and there, probably like behind the ear and stuff, a little bit in there I got to clean out. That's really nothing. Same thing with this one, it's got a little bit of stuff over in here as well. This over here, I'm not really sure if this is a casting issue or if that's a piece of hair or a vine. I'll have to kind of look into that a little bit more. One of the cool things too is what he does in the back is he's got his signature, he's got his website, and he's got a stamp. So I'm not really sure if this is a 3D sculpt or if it is actually traditional, because that's that looks like more like 3D design print stuff back there because it's so perfect, unless he had some kind of like stamp stuff he did. I'm not really sure. And then he signs the bottom of it, and then of course there's cleaning around the bottom of the base. But we might change some things up. We'll see how things work out. But other than that, I really don't see much else. As you can see, nice detailing on all the flowers, hair. I just really love this face. It really is a great sculpt. I don't know if it reminds me of an actress or anything. I'm not really seeing it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you guys will watch the video. You could see it. You could let me know if it like reminds you of anyone. I saw a lot of his sculptures on his table, but when I saw this one, it was just this face just popped out at me, and I just absolutely loved it. I think it's just going to be a really fun project. So that is the Faun Girl garage kit review. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, hopefully in 2019, once I get set up and everything's working, this will be a nice fun project to work on. And if you guys are interested, check out his website. He's got some really cool sculptures that might even be interested in getting. Just to paint on, to practice, or maybe you got some friends in the family that do work and maybe, you know, never seen anything like this. And I know recently a lot of people have been asking me in comments, you know, where do you find a garage kit? So this is just another person that's making original sculpts that you can check out his website and to see if you're interested in it. So there you go. That's the Faun Girl. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with some more videos.